In a cozy village lived a girl named Emma who loved to draw. She dreamed of winning the school's art contest, but her classmates teased her, saying she'd never win. Emma didn't give up. Every day she practiced, filling her sketchbook with colorful, imaginative drawings. On the day of the contest, Emma's hands trembled as she handed in her artwork. When the winner was announced, Emma's heart skipped a beat. She won first place. Her classmates cheered, and Emma learned that with passion and persistence, dreams really do come true.
Let's create that video using all-in-one AI tool. So the tool is HitPaw. The website is hitpaw.com. You can go to the description down below and you will find a link. And just click on that link and then you will come to this web page, and here you can see AI-powered video converter and downloader. There are a lot of other AI-powered features in this tool, so let's find out. Just click on try it for free, and then this HitPaw Video Converter will install to your computer. And within few minutes you will come up with this, and here you have to choose your theme, and let's select dark theme. And then you will come to the interface of HitPaw Video Converter. Here you can see there are 5 tabs: Convert, Download, Music, Edit and Toolbox. Before using these elements, first you have to sign up. So let's click on this profile icon here. And now here you can sign up with your Google account, or you can enter an email and a password. And now after signing up, now let's create our video. Let's go to Toolbox. And there are a lot of features here. The feature that we are using is AI Art Generator. Let's click on that. And now we will come to AI Art Generator. And there are a lot of art styles here. You can see there are like Halloween girl, Christmas bottle, retro girl, white cat. And the thing that we are going to use is Disney style. So let's select Disney style. And in the right side of the page, you can see there are few options, like you can change the image size, you can change the resolution. And in the bottom, you can see the prompt box. So now you have to enter a prompt. To enter a prompt and create our scene, first you need a script. You can use any AI writing assistant to create your script. So I create this script for my video. And now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to copy line by line and paste it in the prompt box. So let's copy this line and paste it here. And once again, I'm checking all the settings. Disney art style, image size 16:9 because I'm creating a YouTube video, and the resolution, HD resolution. And now let's hit generate. And just like that, this tool has given us this high quality, in detail, colorful image of a girl drawing an art. So my story is about a girl winning art contest. So in this way, you can copy all your script and you can paste it here and you can create all your scenes. So now I'm going to do just that. So now I have created all my scenes. Now I need a voiceover. For that you can use any AI text-to-speech software out there. And I have mentioned many of these kind of softwares in my previous videos, and the most popular one is Level Labs. So you can go to the Level Labs and you can create your voiceover. And if you want, you can animate these images, but I'm not going to animate it. I'm going to keep it simple as possible. And now again, if you come to the HitPaw Video Converter, there are few things that you can do. You can cut videos, merge them, crop and rotate them. You can add filters. You can speed up, you can add watermarks, you can adjust the volume of your videos, and you can do video stabilization. And also, there's an AI video editor. You can use any of these features to edit your videos. And let me show you another useful feature that HitPaw Video Converter have. Let's go to this toolbox again, and here you can see video and image compressor. So let's select on that one. And now here you can compress all your images and videos without losing the quality. So let's see how to do that. And now here you can see I have this 10-second video. If you go to the properties, you can see the size of the video is like 30 MB. I think that is a little bit large for a 10-second video. So now let's compress it using HitPaw without losing the quality. Let's go to this video/image compressor and let's here click on add video. And now you can select your video, and here you can see all the details. This can compress your 30 MB video to like a 15 MB video, like it is half the size. And now if you click on these setting icons here, you can see that you can change the settings. You can change the compression level to a small size or to a high quality. So let's keep it in the high quality side. And you can also select the quality. If you select on the high quality, you can see the size is like 29 MB. And if you select on the medium, it is like 15 MB. If you select on the low quality, you can see it is like 6 MB. So let's keep it in medium quality. And also you can change the format of the video. And then after confirming it, here let's enter compress. And then your compressed high quality video will download it to your computer. As video editors and content creators, I think this is a useful and a cool feature. And now let's moving forward to editing our video. You can use any AI video editor. And now here you can combine your video, your voiceover and your background music together. So let's do that. And just like that, our final video is ready. So now let's export it and have a final look of it.
In a cozy village lived a girl named Emma who loved to draw. She dreamed of winning the school's art contest, but her classmates teased her, saying she'd never win. Emma didn't give up. Every day she practiced, filling her sketchbook with colorful, imaginative drawings. On the day of the contest, Emma's hands trembled as she handed in her artwork. When the winner was announced, Emma's heart skipped a beat. She won first place. Her classmates cheered, and Emma learned that with passion and persistence, dreams really do come true.
So as you can see, HitPaw is an all-in-one cool tool, and if you go to their website, you can see all the details there. There are like video tools, there's a video enhancer, edit maker, AI avatar, video converter, object remover, and a lot. And there are like photo AI editing tools like photo AI, photo object remover, photo enhancer, and also there are audio AI tools. And also there are like online tools. You can see all the details there. Here again you can see HitPaw Photo AI and HitPaw Video Enhancer, and also there's like HitPaw Watermark Remover. You can try all these things, and this tool has a lot of features that we need to create our videos. I will link this website in the description down below, and I got a special coupon for you guys, so definitely go and check this website. So if you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools and how to use them, and if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribing. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.